Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I do have a quick video doing my nails with a Rosalind mini piece gel polish kit with 36 pieces. I snagged this from Amazon. I'll leave my discount code across the screen. Feel free to screenshot it. I'll try to show it again at the end of the video. Like I said, this is 36 pieces. You do get your traditional top coat and your matte top coat. It also does come with a base coat gel. I'm just going to be going in with these polishes here that I'm showing you guys on the screen. I'm not going to be doing anything too drastic. These are my work nails, and I'm not lying when I tell y'all I have not had on nails in months. I haven't done my own nails in months, so I'm a little rusty, but I wanted to have some nails on to match my little cute outfits that I do wear into the office. So here going in, you guys know this is my go-to look when I'm doing my nails and I don't want to do the most. You can't mess this up. I will say, if you do try to recreate this look with these polishes or any other polishes, just make sure when you are going in that you do add an even layer, especially if you're going to be going in with any lines, because it'll skip. You'll see that happen to me a little bit later. But yeah, nothing too major. You guys have seen me do this multiple times. I am actually going in for like that 90s look of nails. So what have you guys been up to? I'm so sorry I have not been uploading, but if you do follow me, then you know school is priority to me. I am grabbing another degree. I will be done my actual clinical in August. I should have graduated in May, but I didn't want to participate in the ceremony early. So although I'm done in August, I won't actually graduate until next year in May, even though I have my degree. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, your girl will be posting like crazy after August, I promise. And then, I took on a full-time job, and my job really require a lot from me because I'm a director of my department. So yeah, hold on. I'm going to be posting. Let me know if you guys would like to see me do try-on hauls instead of my nails all the time, because I have been shopping a lot, and so I can actually do try-on hauls or just hauls of stuff that I buy. That way we are talking, chatting, and communicating. I hope you all are taking care of yourself. I hope your mental state is in a good space. Yeah, so I'm just going in with the black lines here on the nails. Like I said, nothing major. I did have to go in and clean the lines up a little bit because I originally, like I said, didn't do a smooth application of the polish. This black is a really good black. I kept it out of the box and set it on my desk. I do have like 2 videos of clients that I did. I have to edit them, and then I will get them up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I do recommend, if you are new to nails and you're buying nail supplies, you do gear more towards the polish kits rather than buying nail polish individually. You'll get more bang for your buck. And like I said, the mini ones I personally like, because if I'm traveling and I didn't get a chance to do like my toes before I got on a plane, and my luggage, I always just pack a little UV light with a couple of my nail polishes, and I'm good to go. So great for travel and just great to have, because let's be honest, we rarely use an entire big bottle of nail polish. So this is what they look like. I do cure them in the lamp, and then I go in and add the top coat. Another thing you want to make sure, this is a tip here, I have done it numerous times, especially when I'm rushing, is try not to flood your cuticle with your gel polish. So here you just see me going in with a brush, cleaning up my cuticle area so that it's not flooded. And I do try to hold my nails down, or my client's nails down, when I'm doing polish, so that the polish flow toward the tip of the nail and not gravitate towards the cuticle part of the nail. So yeah, that's all I'm doing here. This was pretty simple. Like I said, leave me a comment down below letting me know that you guys don't mind if I'm doing try-on hauls, nail hauls. I have been buying a ton of nail stuff. Last but not least, I am going in with some cuticle oil. You guys know this seals the deal. This makes everything look better, and it also conditions my cuticle area. So any crust that might have been left there from me filing and drilling is all gone. And this is what they look like. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the application. I had no plans on recording a video, but here it is. I will leave the discount code for these polishes across the screen. Again, I do have a 10% off discount code. These were not expensive to begin with, so make sure you guys snag them.